All right, up next, Ranvijay. Would you want to pick one up? No one. Only one. Yeah. All right, Ranvijay. Read the name out, Ranvijay, from your chit.
Wait. I'm being nice to him. Amit Ramse, Z News.
Yay! Pick up one.
अभी अगर नहीं आ रहा तो अमित आराम से हो जाएगा. All right, next.
Next we have Abhishek Datta from News X. And finally,
Ashutosh from Live India.
Ashutosh from Live India. Okay. So आपसे क्वेश्चन ये पूछा गया था कि what do women really want or what do they love? So quickly, out of the four of y'all, the best answer will be selected by Ranvijay and Sunny, and you will be given a prize. So let's start. What do you think? What do you think is the way to a woman's heart? What do women want?
Right. What I wrote was generosity, which is required because we tend to fight with our girlfriends. Like, I have had that experience, and it's important that, you know, if she's got a point to make, I've got a point to make. If at all she's found guilty at some point of time, it's important that I forgive her and give her a second.
He is digging his grave. He is digging his grave, guys. If she's found guilty, women are never guilty, my friend.
Who said so?
The woman. What about you?
I want to know, what did you buy this girlfriend
Yes.
when you made the mistake?
I said that I forgive her. It's important to...
Well, that's the generosity. Oh, sorry.
बड़ा दिल का बहुत बड़ा दिल है आपका. ओए माफ किया जा.
I just hope your girlfriend's not in the audience, seriously. She's not, right? Which is right now. Okay. What's your answer?
What I have written is flowers, that's it. But I think, you know, there is like anything which is most expensive, a girl would like that.
That's not true. Right, ladies?
Ladies? No?
Emotion डालो.
Okay. What about you? What do you think women really, really want?
कोई जज नहीं हेलो कोई जज नहीं कर सकता बिल्कुल जैसा पहले कहा था वही लिखा भी है कि कोई जज नहीं कर सकता 5 मिनट पहले कुछ और डिसाइड किया होगा 5 मिनट में बदल जाएगा क्या मौसम हो जाएगा कुछ नहीं पता
ये तो बड़े स्मार्ट निकले. रणविजय का आंसर कॉपी पेस्ट कर लिया इसने.
ये what is it? This is a package from somewhere. 5 points for MTV for doing this amazing. This is very nice.
All right.
Me. Okay.
And finally, आप मुझे बताइए, what do you think women really want?
It's love no matter how the way you do. They want love just and some expensive things. And basically the love, like no matter what it is.
All I have to say is all four of you better be watching Splits Villa this season.
All right.
Ranvijay and
Oh, ये कहाँ से आया?
Sunny.
Whoa. Pro tip. Hashtag pro tip.
If nothing has happened till the third date, then she's probably there for food. ऐसा होता है?
Basically, अगर third date तक कुछ नहीं हुआ तो basically the food in that place is very nice.
Absolutely.
ये पता लग जाना चाहिए.
Yes. Well, we don't know which answer is right or wrong, but the people at MTV right here and Sunny and Ranvijay are extremely generous. They're going to give you these vouchers nonetheless, but for our own satisfaction, let's know which answer do you guys think is the most right?
All answer same ही थे.
I think women love the emotion with which you say things to them, or even if it's a small thing, how you give it to them. That's more important than, it doesn't have to be expensive, it doesn't have to be, even if it's a flower or whatever. So there's a lot of things, and like Sunny said, कि अगर आप इस साल का Splitsvilla देखेंगे, तो आपको शायद कुछ और पता लगेगा कि women जो है उनको क्या चाहिए, and what is a way to a woman's heart. So please watch and learn.
All right, let's have Sunny and Ranvijay hand out the vouchers to our lovely friends from the media. Please put your hands together, guys.
Thank you.
I like like this guy's answer. They want love and expensive things. And love.
Thank you so much, guys. Best of luck.
All right, thank you so much, friends. Okay, it's finally time for us to throw the floor open for question and answers. Please keep the questions relevant to the show, and let's begin. I'd also like to invite Addy back on stage, Aditya Swami. How are you?
Okay, Sunny, hosting the show with Run Vijay. How was it?
It was nice. बहुत मज़ा आया. I had a lot of fun. हमने बहुत मस्ती किया. And like I said before, it was a completely different experience this time because Run Vijay's personality is, as you see, it's loud, it's funny. He has so much energy, and it makes it very, very easy to work with somebody like this. And yes, it's infectious. So I had a lot of fun.
Sunny, was your husband insecure? Hosting with Run Vijay? And did he try ways to get into your, walk into your heart?
So, just so you guys know, Run Vijay is married. He has a beautiful wife. I have a great relationship with both of them. So the answer to that is absolutely not. My husband's a very secure man, as you guys can imagine. Everything that we've gone through with our lives. He's an angel. He's very secure. He's a man. And I don't think that he would ever feel insecure at all.
Just someone please pass on a mic to her, please.
Please pass on the mic to her. Anji.
हाँ, adding to it, आपकी नई शादी हुई है, सनी लियोनी की hotness से आपकी wife कितनी insecure हुई?
Actually, Sunny and my wife are great friends. बहुत सारे इन्होंने dinners किए. इनके interest एक जैसे हैं. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ यार. Actually, जब मैंने शादी की ना, वो इसीलिए की क्योंकि ऐसी कोई problem होगी नहीं तो मैं नहीं करता.
Well, his wife is from the U.S. So actually, क्या हुआ जब हम dinner करते थे, Priyanka and I ज़्यादा बात करते थे and Run Vijay ऐसे बैठते थे. So he probably felt left out.
I was feeling insecure of my wife and Sunny getting along so much.
Run Vijay, hi. I believe you're hosting Splitsvilla for the first time here.
Where?
Hi.
You know me.
How are you?
Great. So you're hosting Splitsvilla for the first time. So from Roadies to Splitsvilla, how has the transition been?
I did the first season. That was a story of two boys from Roadies who were looking for love. The reason was the same that I came this side this time because I really do believe in love. And I think everybody should give it their... When you're in school and college, everybody is really worried about being successful, finding a career, and सबने उसके लिए खूब ट्रेनिंग किया, खूब पापड़ बेले, लेकिन एक अच्छा प्यार, एक अच्छा पार्टनर पाने के लिए कहीं पर भी कोई भी जगह नहीं जहाँ पे आप टेस्ट किए जाते हो. This is the only place in a fun way, in a way where you test your limits for love. And I really think कि एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पर इस चीज के लिए, प्यार के लिए इन लड़कों को या ऐसे यूथ को कहीं पे टेस्ट नहीं किया जाता. So I think that's why I want to be back. And of course, the opportunity to work with Sunny and the way MTV's, you know, there was a time when people would tune into MTV to watch videos back when it was launched. Today, for the youth, you want to see fiction, you want to see music, you want to see cool adventure reality shows. Everything is on the channel, so I would love to work with the channel in every capacity, and especially Splitsvilla doing so well. I was really happy and honored, and after doing the whole season, I'm really, really happy that I took this decision because we had such a blast, and it's going to be awesome.
Sunny?
Sunny,
Yes.
There, right at the back.
Sunny, celebrities like Rakhi Sawant and Salina Jetli making some baseless and useless comment regarding you, does it hurt you as an individual, as a celebrity?
No, because in your question, you had already given the answer. They're useless and they're baseless, and it is extremely unprofessional. You never see an actor or an actress at a certain level saying anything bad about anybody else in the way that they have. So it's their prerogative. They want to be categorized in the same box, so I can't do anything about it. Jo bolna bol do, mere liye theek hai.
Sunny, congratulations. We've just got to know that you're doing a film with Akshay. You know, you have a cameo in Sing is Bling. So congratulations to you on that. In a recent interview, you told us that, you know, the level of acceptance in Bollywood is very low when it comes to you. So do you feel things are changing now since you're working with A-listers?
Well, I'm not sure about anything that you're talking about, but as far as acceptance goes, I have acceptance from my fans. I have acceptance from this channel, from MTV, which is very important to me. Being a part of a brand like MTV, being able to be in movies is something that I've always wanted. So I have the acceptance where I want it. When it comes to A-listers, they out the future mein.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry. Yeah. Addy would like to add something to that.
I don't know if you heard me say earlier that Splitsvilla Season 7, for the first time, there's no show in our genre that has ever got 100 million viewers. And that happened with Splitsvilla 7. And she was on that show. That was the first season that she did. So I think the fans, what the audience says is what matters to everybody, right? So that's a number that we're going to beat this year now.
Also a humble
No
request.
pressure on us.
We request you to keep the questions specifically to the show and not about anything else. We're here to discuss this season of Splitsvilla, which, as I said before, is going to be the biggest and the best season. So we're going to take 2 more questions before we wrap up. Anyone? Yeah?
Sunny, can you give us some tips as to people who have recently been... Yeah, can you give us some tips for people who have recently been through a breakup and how to deal with the breakup?
Come for Splitsvilla auditions, brother. Aja.
Well, there were a few moments in show mein where we saw some people break down. Aisa hua that actual breakdown, crying, upset. Aisa lag raha tha ki they're devastated by the heartbreak that happens. And wo advice maine tab di thi was, I promise you, you're going to wake up tomorrow and everything is going to change. And it's going to get better. It's not the end of the world. And I think when you put that in perspective, when you're going through a breakup, if you can just tell yourself, get a good night's rest, think about things. It's okay to be upset. Upset to hona hai. When you're breaking up with someone, it's never easy. But there's always a tomorrow. These kids are so young that there's many fish in the sea, and you know, it'll get better, and that's about the best advice I could give them.
And we're taking the last question.
Aditya,
Haan ji, sir.
Aditya, question.
हाँ जी.
Hello?
पंजाबी ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸੀਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਐਂਡ ਸਨੀ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡਸ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ कुछ जोक्स जो पंजाबी वाले होते हैं हमने पंजाबी में हमारे बहुत मजे किए एंड it's the fact that when you have fun together, when you work really hard together, जो उसका रिजल्ट होता है वो अच्छा होता है एंड होपफुली जब आप देखोगे तो आपको भी अच्छा ही लगेगा.
All right, and the last question here, this lady.
Aditya,
Yeah, there.
Disha from Indian Television.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Congratulations for the new season. Just wanted to know the new advertisers and sponsors on board. Aditya.
Yeah, you see the list right behind us. We have Carbon.
Yeah.
They've said it so many times.
We had to say it so many times.
Carbon Smart, MTV Splitsvilla, powered by Airtel, Schmitten, and brought to you by Sprayman, Glam Up, Manforce, and Bacardi Breezer.
More new amount of advertisers.
That's enough for one mouthful, but as you see the show on Saturday, you'll see all the advertisers on the show.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Natasha from the Deccan Chronicle. Hi. My question is for Aditya. Why Sunny again? Like, what made you, get her on board again?
Well, I think we've always done things with a longer-term perspective. All of our shows, you can see in multiple seasons. We are in the, we've done a show for 12 years. This is the 8th season. I think we've always tried to experiment with hosts, especially on Splitsvilla. I think in Sunny, we found someone who really brings a lot of freshness to the show. I think she's come as a friend to the contestants. I think the contestants were always felt they were in a pressure cooker. They needed a friend, and I think she brought that new angle into the show. And the fact that we had a smashing season, brings her back. But what we thought is we should change the combination around. And that's why this time we have Run Vijay with Sunny, and we think that's a new combination. For the first time, we're giving our audience as well.
Um, from the kids I've been told, you've been told that I'm strict, and how do I define a man? My definition of a man is someone who is strong, who is intelligent. That doesn't mean that they need to be book smart with this and this degree. That means smart in how they think and how they treat people. A man who is kind, generous with love, everybody, and supportive. Because we live in a time where women are doing exactly what they want to do. Those limitations that maybe we once had, those barriers that we once had, they are slowly dwindling away. So a man that is secure, that understands how important it is for a woman to be successful along with her husband or her boyfriend.
Well, that's a
those are
great
qualities
note.
that are important.
Sorry, that's a great note to end on. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing press launch. We request the electronic media to now come ahead and do the group bites, and the rest of you all please feel free to go ahead and grab some munchies.
उधर से, they want to do it from there. So, आपके वहाँ से कोई सवाल पूछ लो, हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठकर जवाब दे देंगे.
For all those of you who want to do a group bite, and for the rest of you, you can please go ahead and help yourself to some munchies.
क्या खाने के लिए है सामान? ये. Do you guys need mics? They're done.
Enough question. They're going to do this. We'll go over. That would have been great. अच्छा सुनो, ऊपर जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे मीडिया की ग्रुप बाइट्स है, मतलब ग्रुप इंटरव्यूज है, प्रिंट वाले का ना, कोई फोटो नहीं है ना? नहीं कोई फोटो नहीं. हाँ जैकेट उतार सकते हैं. Thank you. I'll take the mic.